We've got what's going to be a much quieter day, so don't worry. No ice cream on the head today. Beautiful, lots of sunshine. This morning, if you're heading out, we do have some areas of patchy fog. If your kids have practiced this afternoon, it's going to be beautiful, warm, but not blazing today. Low to mid 80s by early afternoon. You can see from this shot here at Lookout Mountain, look how pretty that is. But you'll notice off in the distance, just beyond downtown where we've got some of the lower lying clouds this morning. This as a result of all the wet weather that moved through yesterday. Lyman and northeastern Colorado, some of those plains locations are likely going to see some of the fog, and you can see it there from that Viera wireless camera shot right now. As far as satellite and radar, all the rain has moved out. It's pushed up into Nebraska, into Kansas, so we've got some drier conditions, but those roads are still damp, and Jason will talk more about that coming up. Mid to upper 50s, some low 50s, in fact, this morning. Castle Rock and Parker both at 52. We've got Tacona right now at 55, and in Golden, 54. 30s and 40s in the mountains in the early morning hours this week. It's going to be quite a bit cooler out west. Take a look at Futurecast, and you can see again some of those areas where you're going to find that patchy fog. North up in through Greeley, Sterling, and Akron. It'll be pretty dense in some spots as you get down in through those lower river valleys. Right now expecting to be in the upper 70s, though, by about 12 o'clock. So lunchtime, some near perfect weather statewide. It's beautiful. Still pretty toasty down to the southeast with some mid to upper 80s by midday. Then we'll hit highs this afternoon, likely in the 80s, right around 82 to about 85 here in Denver. So it's going to be a cooler day, pretty close to normal. Overnight, we're under some pretty clear skies. There's going to be more patchy fog on the plains early tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, there will be a better chance for a few thunderstorms. We'll see a few of these roll east over Denver. There's a much better shot at seeing some scattered thunderstorm activity in the mountains, both Tuesday and Wednesday compared to what we'll see here in town. But then things will again clear out later in the week, but it's also going to get a lot cooler. So for the next 3 days, we're looking at a range of 80s from low to upper 80s through Wednesday. A better chance for some storms here in town on Wednesday through midweek here along the Front Range. Then very fallish by the end of the week, upper 70s on Thursday, near 80 on Friday. But you've overall got some pretty quiet weather. The severe weather that we saw this weekend, Jason, not typical this time of the year, but it can happen. We'll keep a closer eye on these Wednesday storms as coming up.